Get ready to rock your cleanup projects with TSF Disposal, your ultimate destination for dumpster rentals in Brick, New Jersey. Regarding handling waste and keeping things tidy, TSF Disposal covers you. With top-notch services and a commitment to excellence, TSF Disposal is the name you can trust to make your cleanup a breeze. TSF Disposal has the perfect dumpster rental solution for every need, from residential cleanouts to construction sites. For those looking to kickstart their cleanup game, dial 732-691-8102 and connect with the TSF Disposal team today. You can also cruise over to www.tsfdisposal.com to explore our dumpster rental options and learn more about how we can elevate your cleanup experience. With competitive prices and exceptional service, TSF Disposal is your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Brick, New Jersey. Don't let waste weigh you down. Reach out to TSF Disposal, and let's rock this cleanup together. At TSF Disposal, we understand that timing is everything. We offer flexible rental periods, including short-term and long-term options, to suit your schedule. Whether you need a dumpster for a quick weekend cleanup or an extended construction project, TSF Disposal covers you. Our team is dedicated to delivering your dumpster promptly and picking it up efficiently, ensuring minimal disruption to your plans. So why wait? Call us at 732-691-8102 or visit www.tsfdisposal.com to start your cleanup journey today.